Hello lovely friends, here's a sneak peek of today's Dutch pour galaxy art painting. I'm so excited to show you this galaxy art painting. You know, if you follow me, how much I love doing galaxies. So follow along today as I do this fluid art painting with spray painted planets. Thank you so much to the amazing Fluid Art Express today with Venom Fluid Art, Bubbles and Wombat. Here's the amazing lineup today. So just after me there'll be Wombat, the amazing Wombat, and then we've got all the other superstars lining up today. So as I begin my galaxy art piece today, I'm starting with my traditional black base. I'll be using one of my favourite colour palettes today. Please stay with me to see how it turns out. I'm just going to leave you some really relaxing music and just enjoy the process. If you'd like to have any more detail on my galaxy art and spray painted planets, I'll leave the playlist at the end of this video today and in the description below. So please do check out all the different artists on the Fluid Art Express today and give them some love and support. They're amazing people, such talented artists and lovely friends. I'm so honoured to be a special guest today. I'll come back shortly when I start spray painting. Enjoy the music. This piece dried so nicely and I was in two minds whether to spray paint it. But you know me, I can't resist adding planets to my galaxy art. I think there's only one piece I haven't. So when it was dried, out came the spray paints. I used Montana and Deco Spray. So just enjoy this part of the process, and I'll come back shortly to show you how the planets turned out. And again, if you want to have more detail, how I do my planets, how I paint the galaxy art, the ingredients that I use, I'll put the ingredients in the description below and the colours, and I'll also put the playlist for different spray painted planets and galaxy art in the description and at the end of this video. I'll come back shortly with the dried results. Oh, I hope you've enjoyed that process with me today, the fluid art painting and the spray painted planets. I'm just finishing off now, and I hope you enjoyed that relaxing music. If you're not familiar with the Fluid Art Express, it's filled with amazing people and they're so supportive in our art community. We've got Venom Fluid Art with the amazing Bubbles and Wombat. We've got Dear Christy from Creations by Christy, the lovely Shannon, the Shan B Fluid Art, and the wonderful Pony and Cat from Hippy Dippy Painter Man. I'm now adding a few little details to the stars, and this planet is pretty much completed. The spray paint is all dried, and I'm just using a wipe here just to dab around the stars to give it a bit of a glow. I've so enjoyed being with the Fluid Art Express today. Thank you so much for inviting me on as your special guest. I can't wait to see what all the other wonders in this collab today are creating, so please give them some love and support by checking out their channels and watching their amazing creations. I'll put the playlist for today in the description below. Up next is the wonderful Wombat. Thank you to all my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, it's completely free to do so. Please support me by clicking that subscribe button. Thank you for my lovely member Jill from MJ Fluid Art. Thank you for being here. Don't forget, your art is a piece of you, and I can't wait to see what you're creating. I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.